Good morning all of you. I hope you all are doing good and you are enjoying your vacations. So yesterday I had explained this lesson, Gulliver and in the land of little men. So this lesson I had explained earlier in last class. Today, one more thing I gave you as homework to read this lesson and write word power of this lesson in the notebook. So I hope you are done with that and you all have read this lesson at home. Now let's come to true and false. Our first true and false is Gulliver was not a good swimmer. Gulliver was not a good swimmer. So that is false. That is that first one is false, because he was a good swimmer, that is why he was not drowned in the sea. Second is Gulliver was unable to move his legs and arms as they were tied with leather straps. So Gulliver was unable to move. Yes, he was unable to move. Why he was unable to move? Because his legs and arms were tied with leather strips. So that is true. The arrow struck all over Gulliver's body. Yes. But it did not harm him because they were very small arrows. The little men were not surprised to see the amount of food Gulliver ate. So yes, because they were very little and they used to have very small portion, and Gulliver was a mountain man, he was a very big man and he ate so many things in one go. So that is, so it is written the little men were not surprised. So it is false, because they were surprised. They had never seen such a huge man. Yes, they had never seen such a huge man. True. Next is fill in the blanks. Here I am completing fill in the blanks. Second one. Gulliver was not a good swimmer and Gulliver was not a good swimmer and managed Next is they all had dash and dash in their hands. So they all had bows. First is managed. Next is bows and arrows. Bows and arrows in their hands. After some time, the tiny man dashed that he was asking for food. After some time, the tiny man understood. Gulliver asked for more food and wine. Food and wine. After many months of learning, Gulliver was able to understand their language. next is our third exercise is answer the following question. This answer the following question we will see later. First, let's see exercises of this lesson. Then exercise number 4. Exercise number 4. Make sentences using the following words. Travel. First word is travel. Right. They travel. Listen, you can make any sentence of your choice. Here I am making one sentence. You can make any sentence, and you have to complete this in the book. They travel 15 kilometers to reach their destination. They traveled 15 kilometers to reach their destination. Next, save. He was saved by a stranger. He was saved by a stranger. Arrow. Little man had arrows in their hand. Little men had arrows in their hand. Hungry. I am hungry. I am hungry. You can make any sentence of your choice. Next is surprise. I like surprises. I like surprises. I like surprises. She was very happy to see a beautiful kitten. He gave me surprise. Any sentence you can make of your choice. Next is given below is the story of Gulliver in short. These lines are not in a serial order. Arrange them correctly. First is Gulliver's ship broke into pieces. Gulliver was feeling hungry as he had not eaten for many hours. Gulliver soon fell into a deep sleep. He managed to reach an island. After 2 days, they managed to bring sleeping Gulliver to the king's city. When he woke up, he found that he was unable to move his legs and arms. The little man gave Gulliver food and wine. Later, when the weather was fine, Gulliver sailed off into the sea. So this should be last. Our first one will be first Gulliver's ship broke into pieces. So here I am writing like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122 6, 7, 8. So our first sentence will be first one. Next is, second is, he managed to reach an island. This is our fourth one. Fourth one will be second sentence. Next, Gulliver soon fell into a deep sleep. This third one will be third one. Fourth, when he woke up, he found that he was unable to move his legs and arms. Third last. This will be fourth. Fifth will be, Gulliver was feeling hungry as he had not eaten for many hours. Next, the little man gave Gulliver food and wine. Next, after 2 days, they managed to bring sleeping Gulliver into the king's city. Next will be our eighth one, last sentence. Later, when the weather was fine, Gulliver sailed off into the sea. Okay, so we are done with this exercise. Next, use the correct form of verbs given in the brackets. Also use s or es wherever necessary. So, correct form of word we have to use. First is written birds fly. Verb is written fly. So, it is plural, so it will be fly only. Fly. Fish. Fish is singular, it will be swims. Swims. A man. Man is singular, it will be S-I-E-S. So, does not have wings, but he can fly in a plane. He does not. He does not have fins like a fish, but he can explore the ocean depth in machines. Only men can change the world around him to meet his needs. He is the only living thing on earth that has human brain. Once means we are talking about past. So it will be once people laugh. Line wise I am writing. So once people laughed when men dream. Second form, past form of dream will be dreamt. D-R-E-A-M-T. Dreamt. Of flying or sending a rocket to the moon. Today we are talking about today means present. Today many planes fly in the air. Rockets zoom into space. How did this happen? Somebody asked a question. Somebody asked a question. Somebody found an answer. Found an answer. Next is, here are some words with jumbled letters. Rearrange the letters to make meaningful words. V-A-R-L-E-T. It will be travel. It will be travel. I-E-E-C-P. Peace. P-I-E-C-E. Next is manage. M-A-N-A-G-E. will be leather. 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 Next will be arrow. 100. 100. Next will be number. NUMBER. This will be hungry. Hungry. Basket. Ladder. They use ladder to reach to his mouth to pour the wine. Next, our next exercise is choose the right word from the bracket and fill in the blanks in the following sentences. His hair was dash thick and long, quiet and quiet. QUIET means silent, so it will be quiet. QUIET, quiet. He shouted, allow, ALLOW. Allow means to give someone permission, and ALOUD, allowed means very loudly. So he shouted, allow, ALOUD, allowed, and pulled his arm. Gulliver was feeling very hungry, very, VERI, very hungry. The little men were greatly surprised to see, SEE, the amount of food Gulliver ate. This EIGHT, 8 means number, and ATE, 8 is second form of eat. Eat, ate, eaten. Next, they made. Made means who works, MAID, and MAD means the second form of make. So they made a long carriage with hundreds of wheels. Speak out and write rhyming words for the following. First is long, song, leather, feather. Long, song, tom, wrong, leather, feather, weather, hair. There, mare, chest, test, best, rest, land, sand, band, anything can be there, any random words. Next is make as many sentences as possible from the table. So it will be the reporters, has cannot be there because reporters are there. The reporters have made the report, reached the place, written anything, and the reporters have caught anyone. So many sentences can be made. This when you will come to the school, then I will be completing this exercise with all of you. Next is see the picture and write what they say. First is bow. Second is ship. Third, king. Fourth, boat. Fifth, arrow. Sixth, queen. bucket, then ladder. Next is in cat exercise many sentences can be made from one helping verb. Okay, so now let's come back to our exercise number 3. Answer the following questions. So listen, this answer the following question we will be doing in our next class. Till then, your today's homework is to complete exercise number 1 and 2 in the notebook. 1 and 2 in the notebook. True and false and fill in the blanks you have to do in the notebook. This is your today's homework. And one more thing, that whatever exercises I have completed today, you have to do all the exercises in the book. So I hope this class was effective to all of you. Thank you.